Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. Today's a big film day for me. I'm excited. I have my Bookcase Club. I haven't even opened this one. Bookcase, I think this is number 18 for me, if I'm not mistaken. I do believe this is. Bookcase Club, before we open the box, is they just had a price increase from $9.99 to $12.99 a month, and it had been years since the price went up. So it's $12.99 plus $5 in shipping, so it is $17.99 a month. You do receive 2 books, not 2 books that are 10 years old, 2 relatively current books. I get the Thrill Seeker case, which is mystery and thriller novels. You can choose Teenage Dreams, Booking for Love, Surprise Me Fiction, Strange Worlds, what I get, the Thrill Seeker case, or Bookcase Kids, which is by gender and age, and they receive 2 to 4 books. Always comes beautifully packaged each month. Never have I had any damage whatsoever, and I've had a box get slightly wet, but no damage to any of the books. And so we have a hardback and a softback book, as you can see here. This is a softbound book, and this one is by Charles Balfour, The Fallen Architect. That looks interesting. Pricing: this is a fiction, $15.99 in the U.S. Sometimes it gives Canadian pricing, but this one does not. I always like to show that. This is the font size, always a nice, easy read. And let's see a little bit about this. On the back cover, it says, "Someone has to take the blame. When the Britannia Theater's balcony collapses, killing more than a dozen people, the fingers point to at the architect. He should have known better, should have made it safer, should have done something. Douglas Layton knows the flaw wasn't in his design, but he can't fight a guilty verdict. When he is finally released from prison, he has nothing, no job, no family, nowhere to go. He needs to assume a new identity and rebuild his life. But he soon finds himself digging up the past in a way he never anticipated. If the collapse was not an accident, who caused it? And why? And what if they find out who he used to be?" It says, "An exceptional mystery, a wonderfully realized background coupled with insights into British society that makes this a standout." Wow, that sounds like a great book. Ooh, I am excited for that. I might read that next. I have about 3 or 4 over there, but I might skip and do that, which I do sometimes. We have a hardback, and I'm telling you, the jackets on these, they actually feel like plastic, like they're coated. That's the right word. They're beautiful. Jane Corey is the author. And this is Blood Sisters. They had a bond that should never have been broken. This is, once again, I'll show you the font. Let me see if I can find the price. Okay, so this is US 26, Canadian 35. And let's see a little bit about this. Let's see. 3 little girls set off to school one sunny morning. Within an hour, one of them is dead. Okay, it's a great way to start a book. 15 years later, Kitty can't speak and has no memory of the accident that's to blame. She lives in an institution unlikely ever to leave, but that doesn't keep her from being frightened when she encounters an eerie familiar face. Art teacher Allison looks fine on the surface, but the surface is a lie. She's struggling to make ends meet and to forget the past. When a teaching job at a prison opens up, she takes it, despite her fears. Maybe this is her chance to set things right. Then she starts to receive alarming notes. Next, her classroom erupts in violence. Meanwhile, someone is watching both Kitty and Allison. Someone who has never forgot what happened that day. Someone who wants revenge. And only life will do. Only another life will do. Wow. That sounds interesting too. Okay, I'm always happy with this. Extremely happy with this. I do have a link in my description box if you are interested in signing up for this. You can change your genres each month. You just have to email them or contact them prior to your billing date. This way they can switch if you want to do the romance novels one month, or get young adult novels for your children, or even for yourself. It doesn't matter. If you want a sci-fi book, or if you want to switch over to Bookcase Kids, you can do that for a couple, then switch back for you or for somebody. I think this is a subscription box that keeps on giving. I read my books and then I donate them to charity. I donate to Purple Heart, which benefits the veterans, and I share with them. You know, I don't think I've ever, I think once I donated them to my library, which is fine. But I'd rather give them to charity. I don't take a write-off for it. It's just, I donate because I want to, not because I'm looking for a tax write-off. But once I read them, I don't keep them. I used to have bookcases and used to put them all in there. It wasn't necessary, and I don't want to dust all those books oh no. I used to do the same thing with albums and CDs. You know, you all had them in the towers, and well, try dusting and keeping that stuff clean. I got rid of them after a few years and was like, nope, not necessary. Same thing with books. Once I read them, they're gone. I wait till I have a stack. I have 2 huge bags sitting by my front door. I'm waiting. I have some things to go through still a little bit, and they'll probably have a 3rd bag, and then I'll schedule my pickup. They'll come right to your home and pick up. You can look on their website if you are interested to donate to Purple Heart. I think it's Green Drop through Purple Heart, and they come right to your home. List of things that you can and cannot donate. But I've been donating to them for years and will continue to. Clothing that some with tags. Clothing in still good condition. I'm not ruffling my clothes. I don't get stains and all that stuff. If I have not worn it, like anything that I have from this summer that I have not worn, goes to the charity bag. I'm not going to move it because I have a huge wall length closet. I'm not going to move it to the back and bring it out next summer when I didn't even wear it this summer, unless it was something that I purchased at the end of the season, with the all intention to use it next year, because you can get some great deals. That's different. And I do the same thing with my winter clothing. Before I move it to the back of my closet, I go through it, and if I have not worn it, it goes. Because if I didn't wear it last winter, I'm not going to wear it this winter either, so why am I keeping it? I stopped doing that. I mean, I have a huge closet, but my clothes were jammed in there, and now everything can space out and not get crunched and wrinkled. And little Miss Oreo's down. We're going to finally film her Bully Make box. Right, baby? You want to say hi to everybody? Oh, here she is, little Miss Oreo. She's excited. It's early, but I'll let her have a few treats. Yeah, she loves lipstick. So we're going to move on and get to Bully Make. She's been patiently waiting for that, and it's a shame. But everything that crinkled, she thought it was her treats, but no. So we're going to get on to that one next so that I can get her to chill out. And thank you so much for watching this. I know last month for my 17 case, I did a little secret giveaway. I'm not going to do it in every one so that it's anticipated, because I'm finding that people are just floating around, entering the giveaways and not really watching the other videos. So I had a lot of giveaways that ended in August, but I did not do any additional giveaways. Just going to pull them back a little bit, and this way they're not expected. And in my opinion, I think they mean more when they're not so frequent. So for the month of August, I didn't initiate any new giveaways. Like I said, every Sunday I had a giveaway end. And then in my last Bookcase Club, I did a little secret giveaway. And that video already aired. And so I might do that on some of these types of boxes that maybe don't perform too well, which I understand. Not everything is going to have, 200 and 300 views at a pop. But it really does hurt and the channel, and I don't know what else to do about it. I can't force you guys to watch. But I'm not going to cancel a box that I love or not show it if I'm getting it. I think that's ridiculous. But those that do watch, I greatly appreciate that. I know with the last one when I did the giveaways, all you had to do was comment and let me know that you watched. There was no keyword, no nothing. And you could win a small box full of, there was palettes, brushes, there was all kinds of goodies in there. So just for watching and leaving a comment, somebody won a box. I'm not going to say the person's name, but they won a box for really just doing what they normally do every day. So, you know, you have to be an active participant in the channel to win the giveaways. I'm not going to pack a box up of $300-400 worth of makeup and skincare for somebody that watches a couple of videos a month. That's not fair to the people that watch every single day, and I have quite a few. I love you all. I love all of you. But the few that I see every single day, you have no idea what that means to me. I started this channel when I was 56 or 50, I think 56, just getting ready to turn 57. Going to be 60 this month in September, and I never thought anybody would watch. And when I started to see people coming, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700 people, and then when I got monetized over a year and a half ago, and I never thought things like that would happen. You know, I do have my own personal goals, and, you know, I shoot for the stars, and, you know, take the little milestones as they come, and always keep the, you know, the prize in the corner of my eye there, you know, one day, hopefully. And, you know, I'd love to see this channel grow. It seems like I'm kind of stuck at a certain number. And I think sometimes pulling back them mystery boxes and holding on to them and have the anticipation build and then putting them out, it seems to draw more viewers in. I'll try that again and see if that helps. I have no idea what else to do. But I digress. Squirrel, as they say. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.